And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end. Good night.
Step 1. Take a screen recording of the trending video.
Season comes to an end. Good night.
Step 2. Extract the audio and create the recap video. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Import your video and pictures on InShot. Tap Audio, Music. Press the Extract Audio from Video button. Select the screen recording to extract the audio.
And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end.
Now, adjust the duration of your photos. Adjust it to your desired duration and press the double tick to apply to all. And you'll get this photo slideshow. Tap Text, type your text, scale it, and drag to your desired position. Select Copy, tap Edit to change your text. Scale it and drag it to your desired position. Repeat the step for the other text. Adjust the text duration according to the audio, and you're done.
With that, the 2024 season comes to an end.
Don't forget to share your creation on social media with the hashtag InShot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.